Welcome back. The fourth edition of the No Goa program organized by the NRI Affairs Department concluded on Tuesday. Some of the participants found the state unique due to its cultural identity. Some said that the state could be a model to replicate in the country. There were others who also found common neglected problems like garbage interesting in their tour.
11 Goan diaspora youth hailing from 7 countries participated in this year's No Goa program. This youth represented countries of Australia, Canada, Kenya, New Zealand, Tanzania, UK and USA. During their 10-day stay in Goa, they visited schools, colleges, met government officials and other places of interest.
I intend to create a festival next year based in the UK, which is a space to celebrate Goan children and youth. So I'm going to spend perhaps 6 months really solidifying the intent of a festival.
I think in regards to the problems in Goa, we have seen, we've been approached by little children begging. We have seen rubbish and plastic on the sides of the roads. But I think that's just inspired me to learn more about Goa and to really be part of the vision for the betterment of Goa. This trip has been really good.
Commissioner for NRI Affairs, Ediod Falero, hopes that the participants will continue their interaction with Goa.
It's very good for them, it's very good for everybody that they should keep a link with their country of origin, which is Goa. Goa is not a country, Goa is a state within a country. And therefore, they understand and keep a relationship with Goa.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dravi.
Makasan Sarpanch Agnello de Costa has applied for anticipatory bail in Madgaon Sessions Court in the secretary assault case. The hearing on the bail plea will be held on 18 December. Sources informed that the Sarpanch also met CM on Monday morning. Makasan Panchayat Secretary Sharda Vilgekar had earlier complained that the Sarpanch and his brother manhandled her in the Panchayat premises.
Sarpanch of Makasan Panchayat Agnello de Costa has approached Madgaon Sessions Court for an anticipatory bail. Sarpanch Agnello de Costa is accused of assaulting Panchayat Secretary Sharda Vilgekar on 4th December along with his brother. According to the sources, Sarpanch along with his subordinates met CM Digambar Kamath at his residence in Madgaon. The anticipatory bail hearing is scheduled on 18 December at Madgaon Sessions Court. Earlier, special Gram Sabha at Makasan on 4th December ended on a controversial note. Makasan Panchayat Secretary Sharda Vilgekar has complained that Sarpanch along with his brother assaulted her in the Panchayat premises after the Gram Sabha got over. Vilgekar has claimed that Sarpanch wanted the minutes of the meeting and the stamp by force.
मूठ काढून ह्या हाडाचेर मारले ताणें आनी हांव वचून सारकें वणटीर पडलें. मागीर ताचे फाटल्यान भितर आयलें हांव म्हजी बूक घेवन धांवलो तो आनी स्टॅम्प घेवन धांवला. भितर येवन उदक मागता कोणूय पंच म्हाका उदक दिना जालें आनी धांवल्यात सगळीं आनी तातूंतलो तो इंजिनियर थॉमस तो म्हणटा कितें म्हणून वच खंय आपूण हांगार आयला पयलीं आनी म्हाका सांगता आपूण रेप केला म्हणून सांग खाता वच आनी तो सरपंच सांगता तूं डायरेक्टराक सांग BDO सांग नाल्यार सीएमा बापायक सांग खंय आपूण भिना खंय तूं कितें करपा जाय तें आपूण सारको करतलो फाल्यां.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt and Savio Dias.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has warned the state government not to implement high security number plates in Goa. Association has threatened of severe agitation. The association is not in favor of HSRP. General Secretary of the association Sudip Tamankar has alleged involvement of former Transport Minister Pandurang Madkekar in the HSRP scam.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association held a press briefing in Panjim on Tuesday. General Secretary Sudip Tamankar informed media that government is in a hurry to implement HSRP again in Goa because of the alleged involvement of then Transport Minister Pandurang Madkekar in the HSRP scam.
म्हणून हितून कितें दिसता आमकां की पयलीं जो पांडुरंग मडकयकाराक जे पयशे दिवन पळय जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तेणी पळय शिमनी तुच्याक दिल्लो तोच आयज तेच पयशे घेवन खंय तरी सुदीन ढवळीकार जाता तितले बेगीन तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कोणाक तरी दिवंक सोदता ताका लागून आमचो पूर्णपणे ताका विरोध आसतलो. आमची मागणी कितें आसा, सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे जर लायता जाल्यार सगळ्या राज्यांनी पयलीं आख्ख्या देशान लागोनी, आनी गोंय एक स्मॉल स्टेट आहा, गोंयान त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक चड टायम लागचो ना, तेन्ना गोंयान मागीर आमी सगळे तेचो विचार करतले. आनी जर फोर्सान जर लावपाचो प्रयत्न जायत जाल्यार आमी ताका पूर्णपणे विरोध करून परत आमचें आंदोलन उबें आसतलें.
Tamankar further criticized Vigilance Department for not functioning efficiently. He said that there are a number of cases pending before the Vigilance Department.
खुबशे ऑफिसर आमकां येवन परत सांगता, रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुमी ज्यो कंप्लेनी आमच्यो करता थंय म्हणटा PI आमकां हाडून बसयता आनी आमचे कडेन पयशांची मागणी करता म्हणटा.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamble, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
In a freak incident, a police sub-inspector Vilesh Durbatkar got injured after the service revolver of a fellow PSI accidentally got fired at him. Bullet hit Durbatkar's right leg. He is undergoing treatment at Hospicio.
A police sub-inspector Vilesh Durbatkar attached to Panji police station was injured after service revolver of a fellow PSI Mangesh Volvoikar attached to the Margaon town police station accidentally got fired at Margaon police station on Monday evening. Sources say that Durbatkar had come to meet Volvoikar at Margaon police station. The duo are known to be good friends. During their interaction, the trigger of Volvoikar's service revolver got pressed and the bullet hit Durbatkar in his right leg. Durbatkar has been admitted to Hospicio and his treatment is on. Doctors have said that his health condition is now stable. Our reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.